naman siya dinedma at all. Pinapaupo siya doon, ayaw niya.
No, nagdradrama
Mas pinili niya yung dulo.
Nagdrama na eh. Dennis, alam mo nung nagwa-walk down ng aisle yung bata, just like all the guests, tingnan mo to ha, Dennis ha, ang mga guests doon nag-iiyakan, yung mga kapatid, like, wow, Claudia's getting married. Bakit ang iniiyak mo yung hindi ka nakalakad? This is not about you. You should be, wow, crying because, oh my God, ang ganda ni Claudia nung pumapasok ng simbahan, di ba? Wala sa lugar ang mga iniiyak mo. Tungkol pa rin sa iyo to. Ang parents' love is a sacrificial love, We sacrifice for our children. Binigay mo na sana yung araw na yun sa bata. Hindi mo na nga pinalaki. Hindi mo na nga inalagaan. Hindi mo na prinotektahan. Bigay mo na yung happiest day of her life sa kanya. Ba't ka nag-iyak? Alam mo, nakita ko sa TikTok, ang bait niya. Talagang, anong nangyari? Sabi daw niya sa mga coordinator, anong nangyari? Na defeated and crying. Galit siya. He was causing a commotion. Dennis, you were causing a
During the
commotion.
wedding, right?
During. Pagdating pa lang ni Claudia, hindi ko to nakikita. All of this were told to me after the ceremony, before the reception. He was causing a commotion. He was pacing, walking, ganon, complaining. Tumataas ang boses mo, Dennis. They had to ask you to please lower your voice. And when you could not be controlled, they told you, can we take this outside? Can we take this discussion outside? Oji, I know how Dennis is short-tempered, explosive, walang pakialam sa breeding, manners, whatever. Bakit ako gagawa ng mga bagay na kaiinisan mo ng sadya? Kung alam ko you're a ticking time bomb, anytime you will freak out. Ba't ko gagawin yun, Oji? Dennis, I wanna choose my words nicely. When I left you 18 years ago, I removed your power over me. I suffered so much. Physical abuse, financial abuse, verbal abuse was even worse to me than physical abuse. I will take the beating anytime. But his verbal abuse is mura na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling ang words and terms. I'll take that all. Ayokong maramdaman ng mga anak ko yun. Hindi na kita iniisip, hindi kita hini-hate all these years. I removed your power over me.